So this module is completely optional. You can skip this one. The things I'm going to show you in this module are not necessary for local TikTok ads. I'm including it anyway because it's a good way to kind of spice up your ads, and also if you do intend eventually on running national ads or ads for coaching, you're going to find this valuable. This document, and this will be provided in the links beneath this video. This document is a template for you to provide to your video editor instructions on how to edit. And it's going to make it a lot easier for them going through. So let's go through the general things here down at the bottom. So when you send a video to your video editor, you're going to put the script right here. There's a script section. You're just going to paste your script in here. Then down below, we have in videos where there are multiple takes for each part of the script, I will hold up my fingers for each good take and say that was a good take. This will be explained in the next module. This will be explained in the module that says how to film ads to make them easier for your video editor to cut together. Just know that these lines right here is the sections that I film these in, because filming an entire script in one take is difficult. Whether it's you or an actor you're hiring, it can be difficult to film all in one take. So what I do is I film in sections. So I'll film this, then I'll hold up a finger or my hand so you can easily see on the timeline where to cut. And then I'll film this, then I'll hold up a hand so you can easily see on the timeline where to cut. And then I'll film. It's a lot easier to memorize one sentence or, like two sentences than it is to do this entire thing. So I always provide this basic instruction because I expect you guys to be filming in the same way. Name of the video on the drive. So I have a shared drive with my video editor, and I tell them the video. Are there multiple videos or just one? Was it filmed all in one video with me holding my hand up in between takes, or did I actually, stop the video, save, and then start filming again? In which case there would be multiple videos, and you would tell them which videos there are and in which order they are in on the drive. This part, video dimensions. These will be either, standard horizontal iPhone dimensions or the vertical dimensions for TikTok, which I showed in a previous module. Notes, run through background noise reducer, add captions. I always run everything through a background noise reducer. Adding captions is optional. This next part, instructional loom. If loom is a thing that allows you to screen record really quickly if you don't have it. If you have examples of graphics from other videos, show them here. Be like, hey, I want you to do X, Y, Z, and then show them an example. And tell them exactly where in the script you want it. So you would put like let's say use loom graphic from below here, something like that. And you would have that in colored text, and this would be in plain text, just so it would pop out. Graphic request. If you want any graphics in your videos, what I do down here is I'll upload an image, and then I'll say where I want it in here. So let's say I upload a screenshot of a campaign right here under the graphics section. Then I'll put insert campaign graphic 1. And then I'll highlight this and I'll make it in red or pink so that they can see it. What that allows you to do is it allows you to provide them graphics down here, and then tell them where on the script, where in the timeline essentially you want those graphics to be inserted. I put everything in pink and red. You can see, this is the video. Run YouTube ad. So you can see run YouTube ads. This is a small text overlay on screen. I just put everything in colored text. And if you want graphics inserted, just name the graphics down here, upload them, and then put where on the timeline you want them. I'm going to give you guys this as a template. Again, you don't really have to add graphics. The only real graphic you have to add to your videos is an end screen, which actually aren't even added to that video. All you have to do is add an end screen, which I've showed in previous modules how to do. An end screen is just a 15-second countdown timer, or 10-second. You know, you have to stay under that minute mark for TikTok ads, but just stay under that minute mark and then add an end screen to get you to that minute mark. So like, let's say you film an ad that's 40 seconds long, you're going to use an end screen of like 19 or 20 seconds. So you land right at that minute mark, and the end screen, it will just be arrows pointing down with the offer restated on the screen with a countdown timer. And there's examples of that. You can see them in the swipe file. But that's it for this one, guys. That's how to provide graphic information. I'm also going to provide the link to a really, really good graphics guy on Upwork. He's like $8 an hour, and he pretty much completes all major projects within an hour or two. So max you're paying is $16 for a fully edited video. I'll be including his information below. He's already familiar with getting things in this format as well, so it'll be perfect for you guys. That's it for this module, guys. I'll see you in the next one.